Next, we go inside the Oklahoma County Courthouse in Oklahoma City. 19-year-old Israel Pointer's in court for a hearing after he failed to appear 3 days earlier for charges of robbery with a firearm and possession of a firearm. Because Pointer skipped his previous court date, the judge revokes his bond. But before he can be taken into custody, makes a break for it. As Pointer bursts through the courtroom door, he slips the grip of one deputy, then blows past another. Just down the hall, these two deputies are unaware that their shift is about to start with a bang. Moments later, they run into the fleeing defendant in a narrow hallway. But once again, he shakes loose. It looks like Pointer might have a shot at freedom. That is, until he makes a wrong turn into this hallway. And this man, the county's lead district attorney, David Prater. Typically, criminals try to avoid the DA, but today, one is about to run right to him. When Prater sees what's headed his way, he doesn't look for a nearby deputy. Instead, he unbuttons his suit jacket and jumps into action. Instead of going for a full-out tackle, the attorney latches onto Pointer's arm and doesn't let go. Prater hopes to contain him with the arm grab, as the other attorneys help bring him down. For District Attorney David Prater, it's all in a day's work. Turns out this is the 4th time he stopped a fleeing defendant in the courthouse. Israel Pointer was taken into custody and will later plead guilty to resisting arrest and was sentenced to 6 months in county jail. For the original charges of robbery with a firearm and possession of a firearm, he also pled guilty and was sentenced to an additional 3 years in prison. Thanks for being a fan of CourtCam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.